relevant today is because for my 4 years in NAWOJ, I did not tarnish my name. And all of you, those of you know me then and who still know me today, can attest to that fact. I carried myself well. And that is the message I want to pass across to our female colleagues. We have to set a standard. We have opportunity to sift information by the virtue of our job because we have information from all over the world. And therefore, we can recommend standard that works well for us and that has worked well elsewhere. So we also have to imbibe and teach the country the way to go. We're supposed to be the voice of the voiceless. We're supposed to represent the people. We are members of the fourth estate of the realm. And the message that we have to do is to conduct ourselves in such a way that other organizations, professional or non-professional, will see us and say that, yes, indeed, these are professionals. This is a professional organization, and the people there are conducting themselves well. Let NAWOJ be that voice that will sell that message, that indeed we have identified among these women that, yes, Ayaba can do it. And so we are all standing behind her to say that is our candidate that will represent us. I think that is my message to all of you today. Please pass this message along. I want to congratulate you once again, and I pray that as you go on, the Lord will give you the strength and character. I seek your support for Ayaba. I seek your support for the ESCO member in the Southwest Zone. Whoever is going to emerge as National NAWOJ President, I also seek your support, because together we will stand as one. Divided, we will not achieve anything.
She's somebody that immediately I related with her. I saw the strength in her. So I want to assure us that we never made any mistake. She is a go-getter. She has the strength of mind. Ayaba believes in something she must pursue it, and she will get it. I want to tell you that you didn't make a mistake. She's somebody I have worked with, I'm still working with. And in spite of that, she is humble. Madam Bola is brave. Believe me, whatever lot you have in the national will not elude you here, as long as she is there.
I am here to offer myself as a servant to everyone in NAWOJ in the Southwest. Let me be the one to pilot the affairs of NAWOJ for 3 years. I promise I won't fail you. 1, there must be unity in the Southwest. My vision for NAWOJ Southwest is to see us blossoming, is to see us making impact, is to see us challenging the terrain that men said we can't go. I am saying this professionally. There are some beats they say you can't go. And unfortunately, we have broken that jinx. But we can go further. We can make a statement by saying we can run our race without crisis, without the men coming to sit down on our cases, without the men coming to settle our differences. That is my dream for the NAWOJ Southwest that I am offering myself to sell.
In the past, NAWOJ is, a lot of people don't even know about it, they don't even hear about it. Lagos as an example, for instance, we get to know that even in NAWOJ, a lot of women are not part of it. They are intentionally not, there are female journalists in Lagos State especially that are not reckoning with NAWOJ at present, but we try as much as possible to bring them on board. We have retired ones that we know that can bring a lot of things on the table, so we've tried to bring them back into NAWOJ. We've tried to bring them to train us, the upcoming ones, and my advice to the incoming executive of National NAWOJ is to make sure that they are there for what they can give and not for what they can get. Most importantly, they should put in their energy, do what they will be remembered for, do what when they mention their name in future, the likes of the Mojuma Conjolas, the likes of the Toro Oladapo that we hear. We still call Mrs. Toro Oladapo here to this event because of what we know about her and our contribution basically even in NAWOJ in the state and national level. So my advice is that they should just go there to bring back the vibrancy of NAWOJ. And thank God, majority of them are the young ones. And we believe that it is time. Things are changing. We should give a lot of other upcoming ones the opportunity to lead. and change the face of NAWOJ in general.
To the glory of God, everything has gone well, and we are standing on our words that will make Southwest NAWOJ great. We will ensure that we bring back the past glory. Not only that, we want a situation where training and retraining will be a recurring issue, where our members are constantly trained professionally on the job. As women journalists, we must aspire to go higher and to make impact in the field that we have found ourselves. We have seen that people really look down on us like they are women, and we need to make a statement that we didn't just find ourselves in this profession. We are proud to be women journalists, and we are ready to make impact and make people know that we are people that should be reckoned with. I want to see a NAWOJ Southwest vibrant, united, and focused. And that is my aim. That is my dream. That is my vision. A one Southwest women journalist, or put this way, a united B-zone NAWOJ.